guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great Sunday and I'm back with an awesome video and I have something exclusive to show you all in this video. So HP and Intel have sent us a brand new laptop guys, and this is one of their premium Spectre series lineup laptop guys, and that is what I'm like super excited to show you in this video. So this is a brand new 11th gen Spectre X360 convertible laptop guys. Yes, it's a 2-in-1 convertible laptop. That means you can use it in both laptop as well as tab mode, and keeping that aside, it's powered by Intel's newest 11th gen CPUs and also has some really awesome features which I'll be telling you in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright guys, so HP's new Spectre X360 convertible laptop comes in this sort of box packaging. The outer one is a simple black box. There's nothing written over here except the HP branding to the side and the model of the laptop. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly unbox it and then I'll show you the actual box packaging of the laptop. By the way, this laptop is available in like multiple variants. Like it's powered by i5, i7. The one we have right now is powered by Intel's 11th gen i7, and also the display on it comes in multiple options. Like there are OLED models, some are IPS LCD models. The one we have today is the IPS LCD model. So guys, as soon as you open the package, on the inside we get a free leather carry case for the laptop. It's got a black leather finish and quality looks very good. We'll just keep it aside and move on with the unboxing. And here you go guys, the actual box packaging of the laptop. The HP Spectre X360 Convertible 2021 edition. Wow, the packaging looks quite attractive. It's got a complete black box with silver accents everywhere. Has the Spectre logo at the center. That's it, clean text, nothing else written on it. And has the HP branding everywhere, like on the sides and the back side. That is pretty much it. So, let's just open it and directly check out the laptop. So here it is guys, our brand new HP Spectre X360 convertible 2-in-1 laptop. We've got the silver edition and my god, this looks quite premium. We'll just come back to the laptop in a moment. Along with that, you got some stuff over here. Looks like there's some paperwork. Just make sure to read that. You also get a very slim and compact 65-watt fast charger for the laptop and a mains cord for the adapter. So that's it guys, these were all the stuff we got in the package. Now let me give you all a closer look at the laptop and then we'll talk about the design and the build quality. So here you go, this is how our brand new HP Spectre X360 convertible laptop looks like. As soon as you hold it in your hand guys, you can definitely tell that it's a premium looking laptop. I mean, just look at the design, the modern elements they've added. Everything makes it look quite premium and also very attractive. This laptop is actually available in two different colors. The one we have right now is the silver edition, and if you talk about the build quality is also top notch. The entire body of the laptop is made of anodized aluminum and feels very premium. And also if you observe guys, the whole edges have like chamfered edges on the body, and also if you can observe, the laptop has this beveled edges over here with a power button to the left side and a USB Type-C port on the other side. And also the hinges also look very nice with Spectre branding on top of them. So on the front side guys, you got a complete minimalistic design. There's nothing over here except a mirror finished HP logo at the center, and that's pretty much it. So what I'll do is I'll just give you a physical overview on all the sides and show you what all connectivity ports and buttons do you have on it. So going to the left side over here, you've got a 3.5mm audio port, and beside that you've got a USB 3.0 Type A port, and on this left beveled edge you can observe that it's got the power button with an integrated power indicator on it. Initially I was a bit confused because I couldn't find the power button because it was not placed in the usual position, right? Anyways, I found it after looking all over the body. Going to the front side guys, there's nothing over here, and on the right side over here you've got a micro SD card slot, and also guys, the laptop also has a camera disable slide switch. So whenever you toggle this, you can completely disable the camera for complete privacy. And beside that you've got a Thunderbolt port and one more Thunderbolt port on the right beveled edge. So these were all the connectivity ports available on it. And if you go to the back side, over here you've got the Spectre branding and an exhaust vent at the back side. And this is how the bottom panel of the laptop looks like. Over here you've got a big exhaust vent to keep this laptop running cool. You've got some rubber foot pads as well, and you see these grills to the left and right side. These are the built-in speakers. It's got down-firing stereo speakers powered by Bang & Olufsen. So that is something we'll be testing out, and I'll let you know about the audio quality as well at a later part. That is pretty much it guys. So we're done with the exterior. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly open up the laptop and show you how the interiors on it look like. So there you go. This is how the HP Spectre X360 convertible looks like. And the best part is, I've told you right, it's a 2-in-1 convertible laptop. So you can easily fold it like this and go from laptop mode to tab mode also on the go. So let me quickly tell you about the display. As mentioned earlier, it's got a 13.3-inch Full HD 1080p touch display. It's an IPS panel, comes with 400 nits brightness and supports 100% sRGB color gamut. And the bezels on this laptop look very thin, especially on the sides, but you do have a bit thick bezels on the bottom and the top corner. You got the HP logo on the bottom side, and if you look at the top side, the laptop comes with a 720p IR camera, so it's good for your online conversations, meetings, online classes as well, so you can use it for that purpose also. And if you want, as I've told you right, it's got that camera disable slide switch to the right side, so you can completely disable the camera also for total privacy, which I really appreciate. And going to the bottom side, this is how the keyboard area looks like. It's got an edge-to-edge backlit LED keyboard, white LED backlit to be precise. So yeah, let's have a closer look at the keyboard and let me tell you about that. As I've told you just now, it's got an edge-to-edge chiclet keyboard, and the quality of the keyboard is actually pretty good. The keys on it feel tactile and clicky, offer a good feedback. Key travel is also nice, and most of the time I had a great comfortable experience using it. And not only that, the white LED backlighting is also adjustable in 3 different steps using this function F5 key at the top side. And coming to the touchpad, it's a premium glass covered touchpad, and as you can see in the video, it's actually quite wide and comfortable to use. The surface feels smooth, it's quite accurate and easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures, had no sort of dead zones also anywhere, and the integrated left and right click buttons are also doing a good job. And not to forget, the laptop also has an integrated active fingerprint scanner to the right corner over here, so that option is also there. So what I'll do is, let me just play some video on YouTube and then we'll talk about the display quality and all that stuff. As I've told you just now, the HP Spectre X360 convertible comes with a 13.3-inch Full HD 1080p IPS touch display, and let me tell you, the display on this laptop is very good for the price. There's great amount of detail, you can easily read the text on it, no matter you're watching websites, browsing through blogs, everything is like crisp and clear. And if you talk about the colors were also on point, rich and vibrant, and since it supports like 100% sRGB color gamut, you can even do creative and productive sort of applications like Photoshop, color grading, and these sort of stuff as well. And if you talk about the brightness is also adequate. It's got like 400 nits of brightness, which is perfect for indoor as well as outdoor scenarios. I had no issues with the brightness. And what I'll do is, I'll just play some of my videos, so you'll get to know about the audio on it as well. I've told you right, it's got down-firing stereo speakers powered by Bang & Olufsen. So just listen to this clip, so you'll get an idea on the audio quality. Okay, who doesn't love watching movies or playing games in Dolby Atmos? Like, everybody would love to have a Dolby Atmos home theater or soundbar at their home, right? But thing is, Dolby Atmos compatible soundbars or home theaters can be quite expensive in India, but not until today. Boat has launched a very affordable Dolby Atmos wireless soundbar, guys, and it's already in the house. So today in this video, we're gonna unbox and check out how this thing performs. To be honest, guys, I was not that impressed with the audio quality on this laptop. I had a lot of expectations. See, the audio quality was okay. There was minimum distortion, good audio clarity, but the audio output was very minimum, especially if you are in outdoors or maybe in like our surroundings with a lot of noise. The audio is not at all audible. You definitely need an external speaker or maybe use headphones to have a good experience, especially while watching movies or Netflix series. Now comes the fun part. I know you all have been like eagerly waiting to know about the performance. First of all, let me tell you the specs. The Spectre X360 is powered by Intel's newest 11th gen i7, the 1165G7, which is a 4-core 8-thread CPU with a max turbo boost of up to 4.7 GHz and comes with Intel Iris Xe graphics. It's got 16 gigs of RAM on board and 512 GB of M.2 storage. And on top of that, it's an Intel Evo certified laptop. That means that the laptop is quite responsive, has instant wake from sleep, a minimum of 9 hours battery life, and next gen connectivity features like onboard Wi-Fi 6 and Thunderbolt 4.0 support. See, we've already tested like plenty of Intel 11th gen laptops in the past few days, right? So you can expect similar kind of performance here. Intel's i7 1165G7 is a great CPU for day-to-day usage. It's fast, responsive, and can easily handle most of your productive applications as well. And thanks to the 100% sRGB IPS touch panel, it's great for creative applications also, like photo editing, video editing, and these sort of stuff. See, if you're a college student or an office goer who's looking for great performance in a portable and compact form factor, then this is the one for you. Let's talk about gaming performance as well. It's not dedicatedly made for gaming, I'd say, but yes, you can definitely play most of the casual games like CSGO, Rocket League, and even GTA 5 at native 1080p resolution with decently good frame rates. We're currently playing GTA 5 at 1080p normal graphic settings, and on an average, as you can see in the video, we were easily getting around 65 frames per second. Not bad, right? It's fine for casual gaming, but don't expect that you'll be able to run AAA title graphic intensive games in the same way. No, it's not made for that. If you ask about the thermals were a bit higher than what I was expecting, especially under heavy loads. The CPU was hitting temperatures of around 70 degrees centigrade, and the area above the keyboard was getting quite hot after a while. Noise levels are also a bit higher in these sort of scenarios. Otherwise, in the normal situations, fan noise was very minimum. Alright, let me tell you about the battery life. Battery life is excellent on this model. On a typical kind of usage, which includes watching videos on YouTube with the brightness set to 60%, browsing the web, and slight text editing, I was getting around like 11 to 12 hours of battery life. Well, that's it guys. That was my video on HP's new Spectre X360 11th gen laptop. It's a great 2-in-1 convertible laptop. I love the design, looks quite premium, great display and offers excellent battery life. If you ask about the cons, the laptop definitely has some room for improvement. First is there are very minimum connectivity ports on it. RAM is also not user upgradable as it is soldered, and the audio output, as I mentioned earlier, is very low and not that satisfactory if you'd ask me. And lastly, I'd say that the laptop is actually a bit expensive in the Indian market. The i5 variant pricing starts at 1,14,000 rupees and goes up depending on the configuration. I'll leave links for these models in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.